and today I'm going to show you how to run a flood report with MapWise. We've recently updated our flood zone reports, so this here is the new and improved flood zone report. First one we can input here is the flood zone report by address. So if we had an address, for example, 135 Charles Street, I can just select that, hit search. Now if this is your address here, for example, if the arrow is not directly on your parcel, just drag it onto your parcel specifically and hit Get Flood Report. This here pulls a FEMA flood zone report for you. It includes things like your address, the FEMA data source, whether or not you are inside the special flood hazard area, your risk level, the flood zone numbers or letters. So this here is an AE flood zone, it's in the X500 and the X. It'll give you a little bit of a description about it as well, and a base flood elevation, as well as some more information down below. Now, if we go back to our other flood zone here, we have the beta, which is more mobile friendly. So if you're going to be using an iPhone or an Android device, you can come onto this one, which is the mobile friendly version. You can input, again, an address. So we'll just input 135 Charles Street. You can hit search, and it's going to pull up that exact address for you once again. Now the cool thing about this is you have a couple of different layers you can put on here. Just simply scroll over to this little layers tab. You can put on address points to show the address points. You can put on the National Weather Service radar. So if I zoom out a little bit, we will actually be able to see any storms or anything that's coming up in the area. This does update in real time. And then we have our base map overlays, so we can put on ESRI world topos, nautical charts, blue topos, or we can put on the aerials just to see an overview of our property. With that being said, I can now hit Get Flood Report here, and once again, it pulls another flood report from FEMA for us directly. So this here is just how to run a flood report 2 different ways with our updated flood report. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or feel free to go on our website and click the Contact Us page. Thank you.